To optimize Whoop charging cable usage, start by understanding the basics of the device and its charging requirements. The Whoop is a wearable device that tracks various health and fitness metrics, and it comes with a proprietary charging cable. First, ensure you are using the official Whoop charging cable, as third-party cables may not provide optimal charging performance. Next, plug the charging cable into a USB port on your computer or a wall adapter, and then connect the other end to your Whoop device. When charging your Whoop, it is essential to charge it for the recommended amount of time, which is typically 2 hours. Overcharging can reduce the battery life, so it is crucial to avoid leaving your device plugged in for extended periods. Another key concept is to avoid mixing and matching different charging cables and adapters, as this can cause damage to your device or the charging cable. Always use the original charging cable and adapter provided with your Whoop device. To further optimize your charging experience, consider charging your Whoop at the same time every day, such as when you wake up or before you go to bed. This helps maintain a consistent battery level and ensures you have enough power to track your activities throughout the day. In addition to these best practices, it is also important to keep your charging cable clean and free of debris. Dirt and dust can accumulate on the charging contacts and reduce the efficiency of the charging process. Regularly clean the charging cable with a soft cloth to prevent this issue. By following these steps and best practices, you can optimize your Whoop charging cable usage and ensure your device is always fully charged and ready to track your activities. Remember to always use the official charging cable, charge for the recommended amount of time, and keep your cable clean to get the most out of your Whoop device.